For breaking news, go to itiskitimes.co.za.
Itiski TV, powered by World Sports Betting, itiskitimes.co.za. Kaizer Chiefs 1, FNB Stadium, Stellenbosch FC 2. Mdlalo Betway Premiership, Kaizer Chiefs suffering their second only defeat kwi-Betway Premiership so far this season. August season qale Junior bebene lose 1 up until namhlanje. Coach Gavin Hunt is back, Stellenbosch to revive Stellenbosch. And ever since ebuyile, they've been collecting points, throwing here and there. Even though baphumile kwi-Nedbank Cup this past weekend, but remember, kwi-last 32, they played against the Kaizer Chiefs, where Coach Gavin Hunt won against Chiefs. Namhlanje, again, he repeated what he did at DHL Stadium kwi-Nedbank Cup last 32, beating Kaizer Chiefs by 2-1. Junior, benubula la umdlalo mfowethu kunjani?
Shane Maprado kunjani?
I'm okay, my man.
Ngibulisa Justice TJK. Ngibulisa uBenedict Sovilakazi.
Yeah.
Ngibulisa uMtanela Sinamba. Ngwana Ramasedi. Ngibulisa uBobzini. Kululeko Maprada. Yes sir. Yeah, ebafethu kunjani, keep on supporting iTiski TV, fighting on trying to fix South African football.
Yeah.
Eshimfethu ngicela ucompliment Kevin Hunt. Not only I think this guy is reviving his career. I know he's experienced coach. Wona omunye umuntu angeke understand. Mangithi reviving his career, you can't dwell in his story. The last time Kevin Hunt when did he last won the league or a trophy? It's been a while, so you can't dwell.
Last time we won the league was with SuperSport. I mean, no, was with Bidvest Vets.
2017.
Yeah.
So it's been a while.
Yeah.
So he's reviving his career as well. So Gushkuti Kevin, compliment for him for identifying players. I'm talking about high-profile players. Not only high-profile players, quality players. These players, well done. I mean, he's telling Poch a totally different team. Another way, badalanga corner. I think him compliment to Kevin. Coming to the game. Njoba ngisho mina Shane bengasho even before. When you win ugly, if you lose, you lose as you lose. Ngero, we shoot each and every game that we'll play. Once or lose one, I think it back bamba guy one.
Yeah.
It's gonna be a row. You understand? Because I'm a game Kaizer Chiefs when they're winning 1-0. To me, it was not convincing. As cool man came out today. Ngembonile coach today. I think udlalenga sort of Lomchitalo Chesney was playing as number 10.
Yeah.
Number 8 Lomfana lo Nkosing Philen Ndlovu.
Yeah.
Sorry. Bekadlala ngeWheat namhlanje. Ngikhuluma ngathi is Ben Yusuf coach uKhazi.
Yeah.
Badlala ngeWheat. Solomon not much of him going forward in today's game because of Phili. I think compliment to Kevin Hunt starting 11 sakhe. Ngimbonela dlala ngoJapa in the midfield Putsaka and also Lomfana Mthiane. I think he dominated the midfield. And Kevin long maziyo mina beyangadlala kanje. Dlala ngama department. So mention something very important first half. Badlala but kune build up ulibusa. I think having ulibusa at the back very composed. He can pass from the back. Athola Putzak. Well done to him. I think the way badlala badlala ngama department, building up at the back, baphuma ngolibusa, and then Chapa always avail himself. And up front udlala nga 2 wing speedy players, skillful. Lomfana Pidi, one of the best talent he scored today. I don't find out any talent in fact. You need individual brilliance in your team. In today's game, first half not much of Phili and also Titus, not much of them. And also this guy, Ukipidu, not much of them. Yes, he had domination, we were dominating game, Stellenbosch, but they never went behind the defense of Kaizer Chiefs. Yeah. Kaizer Chiefs, they created chances because when they transition football. They play at the back, not much in the midfield because Mabuye, not much of him. Himself, he and another guy, Chesley. Yes, Chesley will show how much touches, but in Funubona more, I can't come. Kaizer Chiefs, they've got a big fish there. I'm complimenting how much touches and Wabonile, but ngifuna ubona more from him. Udlale ngama moment umfana but ama touches not lose azange lose ibhola. Always support as number 10. Ngimbonile headshot to goalkeeper save it. I-reaction yabo too slow. Liepo always stay on the line. Ngine-jive naye. Ngine-jive enkulu ngaye. Staying on the line. Ama-wing we-Kaizer Chiefs, there was a distance between ama-wing way-2. Debris naye lo Mjituliep. Isolating this guy Silva. I don't understand how.
You think indlela uLilepo afuna udlala ngayo leyo okanye mhlawumbe do you think it's an instruction for the coach ukuthi he must hug the line?
No, it can't be a structure. If the team lose, I go consistency. Now, I think coaches themselves they're supposed to tell him to change. Uli epudlala kanje. Since even when mina ngithi ama coaches, because even this guy when he was there,
Oh, Nabi.
yes, he was playing this way. Umakwa line, staying there on the line, and line always when you receive. To me, man, Shane, Lendenza is like izokmark line. Every time if you trap bad, ipola lizophuma. So always on the line, the is on the line as well. So there was a gap. But solitaire this guy Silva. When Zama run too wide because of them, ngalama wing way too wide, too wide. So ma runs wakhe vele mele aphume boxing. Well, and to Stellenbosch, Jobangisho, first half not much, but second half they came. As Badali in front of Kaizer Chiefs, having so many ball position, not creating. Jobangisho, I think up front, Gulabe Baleka Kon, and Kulman Kipidu, Titus, and Upili. But second half, Upegi Kolabo, how? Yo, in fact, I'm saying Kulman a combination. Very quick as well. You understand? A combination play, but very quick. Going wide, I think Kale Central. And in Kevin, like Stellenbosch, different Kevin Hunt. He doesn't play with the width. Different, go central, we break along a window, or eye wide. Mind you, party, and then they play wide, Tiani, and then good cross from this guy, Titus. Actually, cross with it a square pass, and then another winger score. 3 attacking midfielders got the goal. From there, I think it gave me a changer. These guys, Jobangisho, they dominated the game, honestly. Well done, Gutafagu Chunino in the midfield. Eliminated one of the midfield between Uchapa. I think we eliminated Uchapa, yes. And then he dominated the game, but Mangiti dominated the game, also going behind the defense Kaizer Chiefs. Where it is every winner they came for to Kevin Hunt.
Tell me, Junior, Sesa Jongana after enze la Sabia Eli we akupe uwe Josta wafaka uChumani Butaka indona ye identify coach Kevin Hunt or the ute enze la sub and angayilindi kube half time ayikuphe because I think it was in the 33 minutes ukwenza la sub. What do you think we identify indoni pa?
Sometimes players as professional players sometimes professional players need to take this. I think it was a tactical change.
Okay.
Because I'm not Kevin Hunt Usta beyangamniki next. I think because into begayenza uChurches beyangena phakathi first half kube uYusta always bebadlala bebalithembile le side lakhe uYusta crossing but poor, always going to the amabhola akhe ku goalkeeper. Sometimes he lost so many ball position and a little ball can threat because Kaizer Chiefs it turned a little ball to defense to attack. But like counter attack Kaizer Chiefs first half. Coach will identify that thing and then he had to eliminate Usta. From there, now I think the game was more balanced. Stellenbosch bebanga sadlali but like wing back. These wingers they were so effective in Kulmanga front rear Kevin Hunt. So I'm going to compliment to this Kevin. I mean ngimshaya izandla Kevin Hunt. Angazi ukuthi ezutho washilo first half shocking Kevin Hunt how he plays today. But umuntu odlala Kaizer Chiefs njengoba ngishaya ngecwa mfethu. If you play against players at Kaizer Chiefs I don't think I can be scared. Like saying Sean busy ball, I don't think players at Kaizer Chiefs need to take responsibility now, Shane. I mean, there are mistakes that the boys and generally Pola the principal mistake. Not to say I'm
going there just before Sival because just has given us a signal. Ashley Dupree started imidlalo namhlanje. He was one of abantu abasuka from a bench bazoqala game. Chislett also but for us focus na good Dupree that miss ucimba ukuthi zakwenza ntoni kwingqondo yakhe nje.
To play for Chiefs in fact Papa Ninyama. I've always said this anyway I don't care Shane ukuthi bani uyangikholwa kakhulu. Lela Chiefs dasinda mfethu. Players come and goes there. Nathi safika sahamba. Even before kwafika abanye bahamba. Lapayana every 6 months it's a market. You understand? So they don't have time to accept such things. They are Pola Luti is a professional player. I know he's confident akanayo. Have an extra task here. Because you're a professional player, worst part to play for Kaizer Chiefs. What are my expectations? You understand? Because another player that will come there will take a chance. Angibi hard on him umchita. Nyazi ukuthi mawungadlali confident izokushaya umchita. But truly speaking, le anti ngamlimaza. Mina sengikhulumela base technical team mayibheka. Phela kuseyokuqala. Uyakhumbula nalela Mr. Kwelo. Mina I will understand as a player with sometimes when you lose a confident but truly made us face a reality fact. Ukuthi when you lose, yabona if we are Mr. Lepole and then the game end up get draw or Kaizer Chiefs won. Khulunywa ngalela bhola but now confident better Shane la ukhumbula you getting paid they know angaba kutotose la akusi development this whereby they know that if this week you never do awuyenzanga go and rectify the training kuna my expectation they're going to Derby now Kaizer Chiefs it should be one this thing after being eliminated ku-Confederation Cup naku-Nedbank bebana-resting ukuthi bazoyiwina nabo, which is true. Angithi mabayibala abanye abantu mathematical, but how they play mina ngihlale ngisho it declined for me. How they play ngine-jive the way badlala ngakhona, because there's no spark, especially into players. So uDiprice ukumistadela bhola efethi izomlimaza kakhulu, especially into abazozibheka. So nenye into team asikhulume nge-team nje as a whole. I mean, I'm not convinced ngikhuluma nge-team, even the players themselves nabo man I think they ngiyazi good coaches. We can say these two coaches, I'm ngikhuluma ngakho coaches uKhaz naye this guy Cedric. But players themselves, they need to take ngikhuluma responsibility, because you can't play for Chiefs and then ufuna ukuthi it's always we point fingers to the coaches. Players themselves as well need to take charge, honestly.
Junior, thank you so much for your analysis. That's Junior Khanye. Besibukele sobabili ke lo mdlalo weBetway Premiership eFNB. Lapho ke iKaizer Chiefs uthe yaluza khona ke kwiStellenbosch ngamanqaku amabini kwelinye. Stellenbosch 2, Kaizer Chiefs 1. Thank you so much for watching iDiski TV.
Hola bafethu, this is Junior Khanye. Please subscribe to iDiski TV.
This is Bongane Benedict Vilakazi, they call me so. Niyazi bafethu, Amakhosi for life, they are back in winning ways. Please, siyacela ukuthi subscribe Diski TV.